RI55 T-Bird. So yeah, we went ahead and sprayed the flow coat on it. Looks great. Looks really good. I mean, it looked good before. I think it is more flatter. You can see it in the screen. It's got a nice flat, really even glow or gloss. So that was their flow coat. Clear. We use that 2-to-1 U-Pool, kind of a affordable low-end brand, I guess. We had a little scratch there and over there that we took care of. Overall, for the price of the products, it's all super budget. I think you just can't go wrong with it. But I think if you take your time, you can do the same with any product for the most part. It just takes longer with some. And like some of the top-notch pros, they say, they'll last, longer time if you use a better product. But I wouldn't know. I'm just having fun. You guys have a blessed day.